With Brexit on the horizon, what is the market doing at this moment in time? So you may be one of those people who are looking to act now. You may be one of those people who are looking to wait and see how things pan out. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of the mortgage market and what current deals are available. Welcome to Mortgage Monday. With Brexit coming up, there's all sorts of talks about interest rates, house prices. Today we're going to look at where things stand at this moment in time and if it's worth acting now or waiting to see how things pan out. With interest rates, it's always a risk-based approach for the lenders. So the more deposit you have or the more equity in your home that you have, the better deal you're going to be able to access. So as with anything, everybody's circumstances will be completely different to anybody else's, and it's all about working out what deal will suit you best. So that could be a 2-year fixed rate, it could be a 3-year fixed rate, 5-year fixed rate, even a 10-year fixed rate. So by looking at the market and how things stand at the moment, it's always worth speaking to a broker to understand what your full options are, as they will have access to thousands and thousands of products in the current market. So let's have a look at the deals that are currently available as it stands today. If you're looking to purchase a property, you need a minimum of a 5% deposit. So if you've got a 5% deposit together, there are fixed rates out there now as low as 2.59%, which is absolutely fantastic. Not long ago, those same comparable rates were over 3.5%. So rates, they have come down even for the lower deposits. If you've got a 10% deposit to go down on the purchase of a property, then this is where the rates become very, very competitive. So with a 10% deposit, you can get a fixed rate as low as 1.77%. If you've got a 15% deposit going down, then there are fixed rates available as low as 1.51%. If you've got a 20% deposit going down, there are then fixed rates available as low as 1.41%. If you have a 25% deposit available, there are now fixed rates available as low as 1.25%. If you have a 40% deposit available, there are now fixed rates available as low as 1.19%. So rock bottom, absolutely fantastic. So once you hit the 40% deposit mark, that is the lowest rate you can get hold of. So it doesn't matter if you've got 50% deposit, 60, 70, 80, 40% is a magic mark to get the best rates in the market. These deals I just mentioned there then, so these are the lowest rates available at that particular loan to value banding. So as always, if you are looking at one of these rates, undoubtedly they will come with what's called an arrangement fee. So an arrangement fee is basically where you're paying for a low rate of interest to the lender, and they can typically be anywhere from £500, £1,000 up to £1,500 typically. So what a good broker should do if you are approaching a broker is they should look at your options, understand your circumstances, work out which sort of fixed rate or deal is going to suit you best, and then they should also work out, is it financially beneficial to pay this arrangement fee. It will come down to how much you're lending, the deal term, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, and also the overall term as well as to what you will overall pay. So make sure the broker is looking at all options for you. With interest rates being this low, it could be an absolutely fantastic time to review your circumstances and make sure you're getting the best deal possible. After Brexit, who knows what will happen. Rates could stay consistent for the foreseeable future. They could shoot up over the next few months once Brexit is sorted. In my opinion, it's a great time to act now. You may have seen a previous video where I talked about remortgaging as well. Now, with a remortgage, you can actually secure a deal up to 6 months in advance with the majority of lenders nowadays. And statistics show that over the next 6 months in the UK, there are no less than 850,000 homeowners coming off their fixed rate deals, and there's a potential then to go onto the standard variable rate. So again, act now, don't wait too long, get a new deal secured. Of these 850,000 homes that are going to go onto the standard variable rate and deal lending, the average standard variable rate in the UK now stands at a massive 4.89%. So if you don't act quickly, if you do trip onto the standard variable rate through no fault of your own, it could actually cost you hundreds and hundreds of pounds extra per month just for not sourcing something out sooner rather than later. So I'd love to know what your current thoughts are on the interest rates. Comment below, are you acting now? Are you waiting to see how things pan out? Tell me what you think. As always, remember you can follow me on LinkedIn, you can subscribe to YouTube. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next week for Mortgage Monday.